Happy morning. This is Shamira of Creative Ladder, your event planner, and I belong to CBD B region, BNI Madras. My journey with BNI began the day I decided to visit a chapter for their meeting as a visitor. And when I entered that meeting, it was so overwhelming to see so many people, dressed formally early in the morning, talking about business, passing on referrals, networking. And when I joined VNI, that was a total, roller coaster. And I decided to enjoy the ride by just following the basics, right, of BNI, following the processes and the system. Things become so simpler when you follow the basics. The trainings, the one-to-ones, the meetings, the weekly meetings, all this encouraged me, and I learned a lot, and I implemented all these learnings in my business. I was able to use this knowledge in developing my product called Party Dabba, which is handcrafted and handpicked party supplies, which is easy to set up and can be shipped anywhere in the world. And my whole perspective towards this changed, and I was able to implement the learnings from BNI in my business, not just my business, but also in my personal life. My mentor and our executive director, Sunil Setia, I remember him always, mentioning these two powerful, or you can say the powerful words, givers gain. I use those powerful words as my mantra, and every time I passed on a referral, to a fellow member, and that got converted into business, it gave me such immense joy that I got addicted to giving, and seeing a smile on my fellow member's face made me few thousand, lakhs or crores of business that has been passed as referrals. But the joy of giving is what kind of made me feel so fulfilled in doing or being part of their life. The leadership roles that were entrusted to me, helped me personally grow as an individual, right? I was able to then propel myself to invite other fellow entrepreneurs onto this platform, and somewhere be part of their growth and journey. So I am not just a proud BNI member, but I am BNI. I would like to take the opportunity to thank all my fellow BNI members, Sunil Setia and the team, right, the regional team, for constantly pushing me and guiding me, right, and transforming me from a homepreneur to a woman entrepreneur. So thank you so much once again. This is Shamira of Creative Ladder, your event planner. I belong to CBD B region, BNI Madras. Life is all about celebration.